Today I am super excited to show you an unboxing of the new Apple Watch Series 4. The model that I'm going to be unboxing today is the gold stainless steel 44 millimeters. Now I'm coming from a stainless steel Series 2 42 millimeters, so I think this is going to be a huge upgrade for me in terms of usability, especially with speed. So I'm very excited to show you guys this today. If you haven't already subscribed, then please go ahead and subscribe down below. Let's get started. So the first thing that you're gonna notice is that for a stainless steel model, which usually comes in a square box, this box is for Series 4 is actually rectangular. So I'm curious to see what's inside of it and how else they've changed the packaging. So let's see, there's two flaps on the back. Okay, this is all the way around. Okay, so let's remove this. And what is this? So it looks like we have to pull this up, maybe? Let's see. What is this? It's kind of like a carrier. Okay. Whoa! Wow! Wow! This is really nice, guys. This is like, it's kind of like opening up a present, and it has some cool wrapping paper with different kinds of Apple Watches. And right on the front, you see the new gold Apple Watch, stainless steel. So we have that right here. That is really nice packaging. And then underneath it, we have the gold Milanese band. So if you notice that this is actually separate from the watch, so I wonder if soon they're going to package it so that you can choose which band you want with your watch case. So let's open up the watch. Let me go ahead and move this aside. So sliding it up. Wow. Here it is. This is the new watch. The 44 millimeter is right here. It comes in a really nice suede pouch. So let's hold off on that for a second and let's see what else is included. So we have our usual packaging. It comes in a rectangle form. It pretty much shows you how to pair your watch. Let's put this on the side. Underneath that we have the charger and we have the cable, which is, yep, it's stainless steel as well. So we have that. Okay, let's open this watch. Let's look at it. So I'm gonna slide it out. And this, guys, is a gold watch. Something that I was debating about was whether or not the watch would look yellow gold or like a tacky gold, but this gold is kind of like a brown gold. It's like a darker subtle gold compared to the silver, as you can see here on the side. So let's put this back in here on the side. Let's open up the band. Put this over here. Let's open up the band. So the band actually comes in its standard packaging that you would expect if you were to buy it right off the shelf. So sliding it out. Okay, and we got this eventually. Sliding it out reveals the Apple Watch logo. How to wear the band. Oh, wow. This is the gold Milanese loop. It out. It looks really nice. It's not the typical yellow gold that you would expect. It's more of a brown copper gold. Right here. So that is the band. Now you can compare that to the silver one and the silver watch. You see a pretty good difference between the two. This stainless steel really does look incredible. You want to see a side-by-side comparison between the two. here's what it looks like. This over here, the silver one, is this Series 2, and on the right I have this beautiful Series 4. You can tell the difference on you can tell the difference in the thinness, and on the back too as well. So let's go ahead and put this on. And this looks really nice. I'm pretty happy with it. It's beautiful actually. And this is how it looks like it's on. So that was a quick unboxing of the new Apple Watch Series 4. So I'm excited to see and curious to see how those bands are going to look on this new gold watch. So in another video, I'm going to be showing you guys kind of how they look with this new casing color. In another video, I'm going to be showing you guys a speed comparison between the Series 4 and the Series 2 to let you know whether or not you should upgrade from a Series 2 to the Series 4. So if you're pretty interested in seeing those two videos, then please go ahead and subscribe down below. Until next time, guys.